Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix Fivem not opening launching. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings to access your system options. Next, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Then check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you are connected to the internet. After that, click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset to refresh all network settings on your PC. Next, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for Updates and install any available updates. After that, go back to your desktop and open the Run dialog. Here, type temp and click OK. Now delete all the files in the folder to remove temporary files. Then open the Run dialog again and type %temp%. Now delete all the files in this folder as well. Next, open the Recycle bin here. Click Empty Recycle bin to clear the deleted files completely. After that, open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security. Now, select Delete Browsing Data. Finally, choose the time range, check options like browsing history, cookies, and other site data, then click Delete Data. Once finished, restart your computer and try launching Fivem again to see if the issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.